Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can make money on Vinted. So in order to make money on Vinted, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now Vinted is an online marketplace where you can sell or pre-own clothing, shoes, accessories, and other fashion items. Here's how you can make money online. So first thing, you can either make money by selling your item. So you can start by listing item from your closet that you no longer want or need. You can take clear well lit photo of each of them, and accordingly you can also promote your listing. So you can share your listing on social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or reach a larger audience. Apart from it, encourage buyers to purchase multiple items from you by offering discounts or a bundle deal. For example, you could offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount of discount and all that. You can also provide excellent customer service, that is you can just promote to inquiries for potential buyers and provide excellent customer service as well. And apart from it, you can also participate in vintage event. Now Vinted occasionally hosts special events such as sales or promotions that can help you attract more buyers. Keep an eye for those events that participate whenever possible to increase and set your potentials. Apart from it, you can also buy your reputations. You can earn positive review from buyers by providing great services and dealing and delivering high quality items and all that. And you can also consider Vinted Pro membership. Offers a pro membership options for sellers which provide additional features and benefits such as increasing visibility for your listing and your fees and lower selling fees. Considering upgrading to pro membership if you're seriously a seller not looking for maximization. You can stay active and engaged as well, and these sort of steps can help you make money on Vinted. So in this way you can make money on Vinted. That is all for this video. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.